Adding a profile picture to a contact on the Galaxy S24 makes it easier to quickly identify and distinguish contacts in your phone. It's pretty easy to do, and here's how it's done. First, press the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open the phone app. Next, tap on the Contacts tab at the bottom. Scroll through your contacts list and select the contact you want to assign a picture to. If the contact doesn't have a picture, tap on the picture icon at the top of the screen. You can either take a new photo using the camera or choose an existing one from your gallery. After selecting or taking a photo, you can adjust it as needed, then tap Done. Finally, tap Save to set the profile picture. If you want to change or remove the profile picture later, simply tap on the contact, then tap on Edit, and either remove the current picture or select a new one, including options like an emoji or a sticker. And that's it. That's how you add a profile picture to a contact on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.